Let's make a rhubarb cobbler. First, you cut the larger stalks off of your rhubarb plant. I cut them at ground level. Then you cut the leaf off the top. Go ahead and peel off the fibrous outer skin to the stalk, and it is all the way around it. So you want to make sure you go all the way around, and you do this very carefully. This skin is very fibrous and it does make it more tart. That is why it is important to remove it. Now you will need to have about a half of a pound. You want to cut the larger stalks into about 1-inch cubes and the smaller into 2-inch. Now add 1 cup of granulated sugar and a little bit of water to the rhubarb itself. If you find a little bit of tart, you may want to add a 1/4 cup more. Now for the cobbler batter, mix in a separate bowl 1 cup of sugar and milk, and then 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. Stir that up very well. It will have lumps, but then pour that into your dish with 1/2 stick of butter cubed on top. Bake this in a 350-degree oven until the center of the dough is set, which usually takes about 45 minutes. Checking it at 45 minutes with a knife in the center. The rhubarb will be very tart. It is an acquired taste, so if this is your first time trying, I suggest adding a little more sugar to the rhubarb itself prior to adding the cobbler topping. But this is how I make it for myself. I do love the tartness of the rhubarb paired with the cobbler topping. It is the perfect flavor for me. You can also have a little bit of ice cream on the side if you like, or Cool Whip. You can also find rhubarb at most grocery stores if you don't want to grow your own, or you can buy a plant at your local nursery and give rhubarb a try. It is really an easy plant to grow and makes for a delicious cobbler.